Hi, let's discuss about the binary tree traversals today. We'll be discussing three problems, which is in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. As we see here, the first problem would be the in-order traversal. The order of this traversal is left, root, and right for in-order. If it is for pre-order traversal, root, left, right. And the post-order traversal, left, right, and the root. This is the order. So, if we observe the test case given here, this is the input and this is the expected output. So, this is the given tree over here. If we observe, this is the root. So, when we start with the root, we don't have a left over here. So, we are visiting the root again. So, that will be the first entry in our output. Then comes the right subtree. In the right subtree, again the order of traversal will be left, root, and right. So it has the next output entry should be 3, root, which is 2, and we don't have anything in the right. So this is the expected output. So let's try to implement this logic in our code. Let First of all, let's try to print the input and observe in what format it is being passed. So if we observe, this is the format given to us. I pasted that to a notepad. So the root is stored with a key value called val, and the left's values key is left, and the right node's value is right as the key, and the values are relevantly stored, and the input is in a dictionary format, which you can see here. And every time a subtree is formed, you can see the tree node uh, as the calling object there. This is the nested objects of dictionary. So okay, let me try to create an object over here. We have observed the pattern in which the input is given. Let's create a function. I see that the main function is called with self. Let's try to make the code more convenient. So I'm creating a new function. The solution can be implemented in two ways. One is using the recursive solution. The other one is iterative, and we can also use the stack concept over here. I'm just going to implement the solution using a simple recursive solution. Let's get into the code. With the root is given, and let's declare an empty list where we store the result. If root is not null, then perform the traversal. If it is null, it will just skip it. In order of roots left, so that whatever be the level of the tree's height, it will reach the lower level and keep on repeating the order, left, root, and right traversal order. That is what I'm implementing here recursively. In a result dot append of root, and what is the key we saw here? Val is the roots. Val. Then whenever we attain the root, that value I'm appending it to the result, and then in order of root dot right, to reach the whatever be the given level of the tree, it has to reach the lower level, and from there it keeps on going, processing the rest of the tree. And I'm invoking the function over here, and let's see if this runs. Yeah, I could see for this particular test case, the code has successfully run. Let me try to submit it. Yeah, all the test cases have successfully submitted. I've passed for this in-order traversal. The Same recursive solution for other traversals can be used, only the traversal order would vary. Here, let's try to. So here, pre-order, here the root will be the first entry in the output. Root, left and right. So let me try to run the code. You see root, left, right. Let me try to submit it. Yeah, all the test cases have passed. Let's do the same for post order as well. Post. So in post order, it will be left, right, and root. Submit the code. Okay. It says indentation error. Yeah. So all the test cases have passed. So this is how we can implement the tree traversals in a recursive solution. Thank you.